we walk slowly under the trees and we swing each other's hands in rhythm and time. I can feel it like it's real. So we sing. One more time. I'm not sure. As the sun finally we walk slowly under the sunlight. We hold each other's hands, oh so tight and tight. I can feel it from the start. I will keep it in my heart. It's embedded 'cause it's green.
Thank you so much po. Maraming salamat po. Taman po natin si Jelly. Siya po ay tunay na boses dun sa Campus Reunion. Babae po po. Thank you so much, Jelly, for pagpayag na makasama sa stage na to at syempre kumanta dun sa kanta ko. Thank you so much, Matilda.
Gabi 18! I'm Jello from Yara!
I just want to make it clear, guys. Si Jello po ay parang tiyahin ko na. Hindi, joke lang. Matalik na kaibigan ko namin.
Mukha ba akong tita?
Hindi. Matagal na po namin siya kaibigan. Kaya maraming salamat po.
Congratulations, daw. We
Thank
are
you
so
so
proud
much.
of you, right?
Maraming salamat po. Thank you.